Today we are going to investigate using a classroom back channel. A classroom back channel is an online tool that allows a classroom to continue a discussion while another classroom activity is occurring. We are specifically going to investigate the tool Today'sMeet. Today'sMeet is located at Today'sMeet.com. After browsing to Today'sMeet, you will notice that there is no place to provide user-specific information or to sign up for an account. Instead, you have the option to name your room and close the room in a period of time. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to name our room. I'm going to name our room Today'sMeet.com/science. You will notice that when I attempted to name our room Science, I received a red X because that room is not available. By naming our room something more specific, I will receive a green check mark indicating that room name and room is available. The next thing I need to determine is how long should the room be open. The drop-down will show me various options. It is recommended that you choose the shortest amount of time to keep your room open. In this example, I'm going to keep my room open for 8 hours or 1 school day. After selecting 8 hours, the only next option is to click Create Your Room. After entering your Today'sMeet room, you will type in your name as the teacher and click Join. Then you have 140 characters to pose the question for your class. Today's question is, please enter one interesting fact you learned from the discussion or reading. Then you will provide your students with the Today'sMeet URL. At the bottom, there's also a shortened URL for them to access this classroom and discussion. Here we can see we already have some students responding. I can respond back to them. And that is how you have a Today'sMeet discussion. After you have completed the activity and you are finished with Today'sMeet, you can click on the word transcript. This will provide you with a transcript of all comments that were made during the Today'sMeet discussion. This is printable and savable. That is how you use Today'sMeet in your classroom.